Okay, today's new skill is called autofill. Instead of having to retype 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the numbers as we go, we can do what's called an autofill. One thing you need to remember that I noticed from yesterday, if you're going to highlight information, make sure that you use the white cross like what I have up now. Okay, so we're going to highlight 1 and 2, and I'm going to slide over to this green box. And I'm going to know when I'm there because it's the black cross then. So I go from a white cross here to a black cross here. I'm going to click on the mouse and drag down. And you can see as I do it, these numbers are changing. I'm going to go down as far as they tell me to. I don't know what the book says. Let go and it'll autofill those numbers for you. Okay, I believe that's step 5 in the instructions today. So now you should be able to get going. Start with instruction 1 and submit it to Schoology when you're finished.